Okay, here we go again. I have a 2007 Toyota Yaris hatchback. It's got the original radio from the factory, and we're going to install this Alpine CDE HD 138 BT. It's got Bluetooth, it's got HD radio, it's got satellite Sirius XM ready, it's got iPod, iPhone connection. What else have we got? Pandora. Really nice radio. MP3, USB playback. But there's our radio that we're going to install. This is it out of the box. Really nice looking. It's a single DIN installation. Of course, it came with the radio. Came with the harness that we're going to bunt together with the harness to the car harnesses for the Toyota Yaris. It came with a mic for the Bluetooth, and it also came with the keys to remove it out of the dash kit and a few screws. It also came with a case to take the face off of the receiver to keep it from being stolen. You know, like put it in your pocketbook or your glove box or something, where people kind of discourage them from stealing it out of your car. And of course, it came with instructions. This was a purchase through Clutch Fields online, and they sent me the instructions on how to open the dash and everything up to install the radio. I got the Metra dash kit number 998216 for the Toyota Yaris 2007 and up for the single DIN application. Just some pieces. You may not need everything. They also sent me the wiring harnesses that will hook to the existing harness for the car. And I also, since this was Sirius XM had that capability for the radio, I went ahead and ordered a Sirius XM tuner for my car for the radio. It's a V200 Connect vehicle tuner, and of course it came with the receiver and the antenna for the, to operate for the satellite. So we'll also be installing that as well at the same time. And so right now, so far, I'm going to be using, of course, the wire butt connectors. If I can get some of this stuff moved around here where you guys can see. I've got a nice little kit here I went out and bought. I'm going to be using the gold plated butt connectors. That they are gold plated on the inside for a little bit better audio experience. And I'm going to be using my strippers of colors. Strippers. These are crimpers, excuse me, and these are my strippers. So I will be using that and some pull ties, some electrical tape, and to bunt my harnesses together. So I think that's everything that I can add at this moment until I get the harnesses together and get the radio into the dash kit to where we can progress on to the car and open up the dash. We've got several pieces of plastic trim that's sitting around, that's in place around the existing radio right now. So it's going to take me a few minutes to get into that and get the dash open to where you guys can see that, and then we also will do another video with the radio already installed and show you some of the pieces of the plastic that's going to be put back in place to close the dash back up. I think that's all I can add at this moment, and just stay tuned. This video will be all together, but you'll also hear some breaks between each video. But thank you for watching right now, and we will continue with this at a later date. Bye.